Alright everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we are doing something I don't normally do. Unboxing time. I got home, there's like 4 packages, and some of this stuff like somebody sent me. One I ordered quite a while back and it was custom. This one I'm super excited about. So we're going to start with it. This one comes to us from Spain. Okay guys, had a custom done. Really excited about this. If y'all follow this person, you may have seen the brush already on his Instagram. Before I just take it out, let's, comes in an awesome box. What? See this. Muchas gracias. Yeah. Sorry, don't speak Spanish, so we're never gonna try. But guys, it's green tinctured birch. Yeah, no, briarwood. And this is African blackwood textured right here in the band. You see, you can still see the green tinctured briarwood at this end too. So it's really like a band. It's super sweet. Like, I'm excited, guys. DK's got me a little worried this is going to turn my my lather green for like 10 tries or so, but I'm excited. Badger doesn't have a funk. It's not like super dense, but it is pretty dense. But anyways, yeah. Sorry, just looking at the finish, checking it out. It looks really good, guys. Like, I'm super impressed. Like, I love it. Sorry, I'm looking at where he connected down here just to see how it looks. And honestly, guys, it looks really good. I don't see any turn marks on the handle anywhere. Really nice, guys. Really nice. Excited to use that. So we're going to put that back in the box. Put it back in its home. Back in its home. All right. This, I got a feeling, is from my boy DK. Do we recognize that packaging? It's very light, so I think it is from DK. Asshole told me what he did, which I guess is okay. He only got my address because he's like telling me he was gonna send me some stuff back and like send me this WEC he got me. Yeah, that's why he got his. That's why I gave it to him so freely. But I do appreciate it. Don't get me wrong, guys. It's just a thing him and I do. Is like, dude, you can't be buying this shit. So awesome. It's coming, D. I wonder if they sent that to DK like that. I don't know. Huh. But anyways, Hotel Cecil postcard. You know, that's supposed to be the dupe of, what do you call it? Burma Shave. Huh. Malbolge. Have y'all ever heard of this one? Is this a new one coming out? I don't know. Actually, let me give it a little sniffer, right? I'm a little stocked up. Sorry I haven't gotten videos from me lately, guys. Been a little... Just told I got a staph infection. That's nice. It's kind of sweet. I would say almost gourmandy, but not. I don't know. Don't get me lying on scents. Maybe when I splash it on or something, I'll know, but I'm going to put it back in its baggie. There we go. That way I have it for later. And the most awesome thing, like, I'm excited he did this for me, so I appreciate it. El Fantasma. Super exciting. Let's see if I can open this without messing up the packaging. Because I do like to keep my razors and stuff in their original boxes. Come on. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice. Might have opened from the wrong end, it looks like. Because the other end was getting a little bit more difficult. I didn't want to rip it. There we go. Didn't rip it, bent it a little. I'll open it up. Boom! Got a little piece of paper in there. says, for epic eerie results, charge with the flashlight for 1 to 2 minutes. So like you gotta charge it for a while with some light. Let's see if it works, okay? Charge it for a minute. No work, guys, because I didn't charge it long enough. I was just saying, you know. I'm super excited to use this. I wanted the Bakelite slant, and I know this is torqued more, but we're gonna give this a go. We're gonna see how this puppy feels. I think CDB said that it has more blade feel than the other one did, so I'll be excited to try that out. And just for Lord Shady, I'm thinking about doing a glow-in-the-dark shave, so all you see is this little glowing thing. I may make it a tag. Just a thought. Just a thought. So, sorry, make sure I cut away from myself so I don't cut myself like Ken. The Kenabler, Ken Romito. Just making sure. No mishaps, no cuts. Nicks. Razor Company. So, I sold quite a few stuff earlier this week. Got it out and got paid for it. And so I went ahead and I bought 2 items that I wanted for the Halloween. So think of it like a trade. It's not like I really made any money. I just sold some stuff to get some new stuff. And we're going to pull them all out and move this over because there's a ton of peanuts. Because guess what? The Razor Company packs appropriately. Very good packaging, guys. You know, you get one of these every once in a while. Pretty awesome. I think I've got like 3 or 4 now. One is currently in the car. So, Men Mild Steel Blue Henson Shaving Razors. So we're going to pop this puppy open. I am a fan of lighter razors. Let's get a little tab pop and then open it up. Sharp choice. You know, shows how to put it together in case like you don't know how to put a 3-piece together. But I like the handle. I think Jack from Virtual Groom Room says it's reminiscent of the Gladius. I would say slightly. I don't have my Gladius right now. I gave it to someone else, but we're going to give this a go. See how it feels. I like the blue. That's why I got it. It's an inexpensive razor in my opinion. Lower price point. I think it was like $45 or $49. I don't know. Something like that. So we're going to give it a go. Set this over. Sorry my unboxing video is going on like forever. It's nice I got new packaging supplies. That's the way I see it right now. Like I got bubble wrap, which they left the thingy on, but that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna throw it away. Open it up. We're gonna save the bubble wrap because who knows, man. May need it later. Reduce, reuse, recycle. So, Holy Call, Vorv. They're Halloween. Oh, I like that. Oh, man. It's floral, but not too strong, but kind of bright. I wish I knew what the scent notes were on this. I forgot. You know, it does have the ingredients on the bottom. It's Sierra based. This is my second Holy Cow soap. The other one I have is 1776. But this is... I like the smell of that. I don't know, man. I haven't decided what I'm going to shave with tonight. I got like 36 hours worth of growth, and we're going to do another shave. We're going to film the next shave. Sorry, guys. Like I said, gout in the foot, staph. They got me on some sulfur antibiotics, sulfa drug, whatever you want to call it, and it's... whew, makes me a little nauseous. Can't stand long. Different smell than the Holy Cow soap, but when you pull it away, it starts to smell more like the soap. So the dry down, I like this. Smells good. Smells good. So we're gonna give it a go. Definitely gonna give that one a go. I think that's a keeper right out the gate. We're gonna put my Henson shaving card back over here. Then we're gonna get into this last one because I know what this is, guys. So I was talking to Ken, and I enabled him. It can work both ways, guys. It's not always Ken enabling. But check this out. It came in a priority mail envelope. Pretty clever for cheap shipping, right? I didn't have to pay for this shipping, by the way, and I think I spent $38 for what I just purchased. Like I said, made some sales earlier this week on Murphy & McNeil. So I was able to do this. Scent Lather Me Whiskers this, and I needed to replace it. So guys, this is kind of, Paul described it well. It's good at getting rid of the symptom relief. Like if you've got a bad burn or irritation after the shave, you can put this on as like cooling and everything. But you'll probably want some additional care afterwards, but it's great for immediate relief. I can get it open. Whoop, man, that's full. But yeah, it's just a menthol cream, guys, that you put on your fingers and rub it in your face, and it soothes really well. It's really nice packaging, guys. Do y'all want to see? Like, it came in pretty cool. I like Suavecito. I am a fan. We're not going to open it up. Don't want to cut myself. Let Ken. And we got the soap right here, so I can smell that. But guys, if anybody wants to know, I love the whiskey bar scent. Suavecito, and I picked up another puck, and people asked me what it smells like. DK said he smelled leather, and then I sent him the scent notes. There's no leather, but it smells like John Wayne. That's all I can say. John Wayne. And see, this puck used to come in like it was connected on this side, and it was more of a hinged lid instead of coming completely off, but this time it comes completely off. So that's new from the last time I purchased one. Really inexpensive. I think the soap's like $6.99 or something for a puck. I can't remember the size. 3.5 ounces. So that's really a quality value in my opinion. It's a decent soap. You get plenty of slickness. That's all you really need, and I love the scent. So this one, guys, I wanted to try their Havana Nights. So I just got the soap, really inexpensive. We'll decide if I want the splash later. Ooh. It's lightly scented, not as strong as my whiskey bar, but I may pick up the matching splash for this. We'll have to suds it up and see how it does. But guys, that's Havana Nights. Picked it up, wanted to know. Now we do. So, all right, guys, 13-minute unboxing pretty much. I appreciate it. Hopefully I'll get a shave in today. So many options. Oh, this came in from Maddie this week, and I got a shave in with it, and it's probably not going to be what I shave with today. So it's a 3/8 straight razor, made in Solingen, however I'm supposed to say it, and bone scales, all real. Like if you could see better, you can see the pitting, not the pitting, but the pores in the bone or whatever, but all original. He tightened it up really nice. And guys, you know, if you think you might get irritation from using a smaller straight razor, this is a really nice edge, really sharp. Let's put it that way, really smooth. And it was almost like using a WEC, that I was able to use that light of a touch and not have to dig into my skin. So on that note, I think that's pretty awesome. Anyways, went over it after I told you I was going to let you go. Thank you for staying, and have a great one, guys.